Greetings from the University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff's Technical Services Department. Welcome to UAPB. Today I would like to give you a brief overview of some helpful resources while you're employed at the University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff. Technical Services is located in the Administration Building, room 110. If you'd like to contact us, our number is 870-575-4773, or you can email us at tsrequest@uapb.edu. Our current status of technology infrastructure on campus is up to par to meet the demands of the ever-changing field of technology, to offer an educational experience that is fulfilling while attending the University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff. Technical Services resource can be found on our website, www.uapb.edu. Users can log into their email, Blackboard, Web Advisor, and My UAPB. The My UAPB is a campus portal that provides an interactive environment into existing services such as your email, Web Advisor, and your Blackboard. The Technical Services Department has some more information listed on its actual website for you. You can get to that web page by selecting Administration, Financial and Administration, and then select Technical Services. And the information on this page is available. Your user accounts. If you are a new employee and you need access to email, Web Advisor, and/or registration and advising, there are several steps that need to take place. Step 1. Employee must have a UAPB employee ID number. This number is assigned if all paperwork has been processed in the Human Resource Department. Step 2. Your supervisor will need to fill out a TS job request, requesting you an email account and a Datatel account if your position requires you need access to these systems. Step 3. Once the request has been completed, you and/or your supervisor will receive a call and an email with your login information inside of it. More on user accounts. Faculty and staff network accounts are used for all online systems. The systems include email, Web Advisor, Blackboard, My UAPB, and wireless access. We are currently making some changes to our faculty and staff user accounts. All user accounts will have the following format: the last name and the first character of your first name. If you have the same last name and first name of another current user, then we will use your middle initial. Example, Mary E. Smith would be Smith ME at uapb.edu. Note, accounts cannot be changed unless the employee legally changes their name, and it has to be updated in the Human Resources Office. Thanks to the Title III funding, the university has invested in a 24/7 self-serve password program. This application is available to our students, faculty, staff, and administrators to reset their own password without assistance from Technical Services. The self-serve access is available using the web, your mobile devices, and your phones. So if you forget your password, you can use our self-serve React system. If you've forgotten your password, and this is your first time using our self-serve system, follow the instructions on the screen. If you need to reset your password, then click on the password reset and follow those instructions. The link can be found on the website by clicking under Faculty and Staff, then click Lost Your Password. You will need to know your employee ID number for the first time setup. You will set up some security questions for the first time, and you will have to choose as to how you would like your password to be sent to you by email, address, or text message. Remember, when you make this change, it changes all of your passwords at one time. Within the next few slides, you will get a brief overview of the email system, DataTail, Web Advisor, Blackboard Learn, UAPB Wireless, and My UAPB Mobile. And at the end of this session, we will have a few handouts that will be in the back for you to select from as needed. Your email. The University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff uses Microsoft Outlook. Who is eligible for an Outlook account? All faculty, staff, and students. And this information will be available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Outlook Web Access, which is also known as OWA, is a web service of Microsoft Exchange. OWA provides users of the University of Arkansas Pine Bluff mail access to email, calendars, contacts, tasks, and other mailbox content when access to the Outlook desktop application is not available. Some of the benefits: you can check your email anywhere you have internet access, and you only have to know the website https://webmail.uapb.edu/OWA. DataTail. What is the DataTail system? The DataTail system is a network-based product that provides universities with administrative capabilities. These capabilities include enrollment, financial, institutional, and human resource management, student services, institutional advancements, as well as budgeting and planning. How do you get an account on the DataTail system? You must complete a TS job request. You will then be given a username and password to access the system. How often will my DataTail password expire? Currently, DataTail passwords are expiring every 90 days. It is very important that you do not share your account with other users. When you have to change your DataTail password, you have to use our React self-serve system that's in place. Can I access DataTail through the internet? The answer is yes. The Web Advisor component of the DataTail system allows you to access information contained in the UAPB administrative database. You want to know, can I access DataTail from off campus? For security reasons, the DataTail system cannot be accessed from off campus. What DataTail training is available? As each functional area of the university, admissions, financial aid, registration, and others, all of them use DataTail differently, so providing a comprehensive training session isn't the best training approach. Typically, there are users in each department that are experts in the necessary functions of that area, so contact that area for assistance. So how do you access DataTail? The user interface was adopted by the university as our preference interface to DataTail. With UI, users have access to a host of graphic-based tools and accessories designed to make working with DataTail more intuitive and user-friendly. And we have a URL that can be used to get to that information. Web Advisor. Faculty, staff, and students are encouraged to fully access all on-campus and web resources offered by the university. Web Advisor is your gateway to e-learning. Access to Web Advisor is available 24/7. From Web Advisor, the following menus are available: your faculty menu, advisees, class roster, grading, search for sections, My class schedule, student profile, grading, and instructions. From the employee menu, position summary, leave plan summary, my stipends, total compensation. Pay advices. You must sign up with payroll for viewing this information. In your W-2 statements. Web Advisor will ask all users, that means faculty, staff, and students, to verify their address, contact information every 30 days. Users can submit address, phone number, emergency contact information, changes as personal email. These changes are automatically updated to our colleague Datatel system immediately. Your Blackboard Learn. Your Blackboard Learn is a course management application designed to enhance teaching and learning. The Blackboard course management e-learning system enables instructors to build and customize course offerings. In addition, students enrolled with Blackboard become engaged in an interactive learning environment. Accessing your Blackboard Learn, you can do it from the main page. There is also a web address, and you log in using your assigned UAPB email address and password. All new faculty are automatically set up with your Blackboard Learn account when they get a UAPB email account. Your Blackboard Learn after-hours support. In order for us to ensure that we can provide support in a timely manner, an email account has been set up for Blackboard. The email account is blackboard@uapb.edu, and it's monitored 24 hours a day. My UAPB Mobile is a free app that can be downloaded from your Apple Store with your ISO compatibility required as 6.0 or later. You can also download from your Android market, and it also requires a 2.1 or later version. UAPB Mobile App includes a premier suite of new apps and mobile improvements that the University of Arkansas Pine Bluff users require, including iPhone, iPods, iPads, and Androids. UAPB Mobile App provides several functionalities for the public app and the designated app that are for the students, faculty, and employees. The public app can be viewed by anyone who downloads the UAPB app. The designated apps can be viewed according to the role held on campus, and these are private apps that can only be viewed when logged into. My UAPB mobile app requires you to log in to see information on your email app, your student app, your faculty app, and your employee app. You must hold the role of an active student, faculty, or staff member to access any of these designated app information. To access your designated app, you will need to enter your designated UAPB username and password. When you are complete, don't forget to log out of the system. Email, Web Advisor, and Blackboard Learn is accessible anywhere through web and or various software. Blackboard Learn also has an app which is free to download. Wireless access. We see more students, faculty, and staff bringing their own devices to the campus, and therefore wireless is key. Wireless coverage of the campus is about 90% thanks to Title III funding. Based on the funding provided, all academic buildings, library, and residential halls are wireless. Students and faculty can gain access to online courses from any academic building and library on campus. The Office of Technical Services will assist all faculty, staff, and currently enrolled students with a UAPB account access and resolve IT-related issues and requests concerning on-campus computer systems and equipment. Our services include network login and password reset, directing the students and staff to the correct place for that to happen, technical assistance, resolving computer technical issues, email account access, PC and peripheral setups, UAPB laptop configuration, and general computer questions. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I hope this gives you some insight on the IT resources that are available to you. Continue to visit our website at www.uapb.edu and click on Technology Services for IT help resources.